Today we talk about how can you disable object captions on your SAR workshop app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to an exhibit here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to object captions. Just click in this sign here or this color. So that like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here object captions. It's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.